So, what are you fixing?
This one exploded, and I'm going to replace it with a new one. And since this one is all messed up, fog lights I mean, it's gonna have to be fastened in with a zip tie.
Okay, so why are you fixing it?
Because the light bulb blew up. You already asked me that.
Yeah, I did. So, what car is this, Jerry?
It is a 2005 Honda Accord.
Wow, it's a very nice car.
Okay, let me see here. Uh-oh. How this part goes in, I can never remember. Oh, never mind, I do remember. Something like this. Hold on. Wait a minute. There you go. Okay. Wait, hold on. Alright, go inside and turn on the fog light.
Okay, we're going inside. So that's the red button, right?
Yeah.
There's a red button. So there's the red button right there. Very cool. What'd you say? Alright. So this is the inside of his car. Very messy though. As I already showed you, there's a red button. Very nice car. I would get it. I'm sure all of you would get it.
It already wants to come up, Liza.
These are what we call the secret weapons.
We could get them in. It's snowing, dude. Shut up.